Do you want to know how to fix transaction error on Trust Wallet? Well, then you have come to the right video because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistake in this process. Well, the first reason could be a slow internet connection. So always make sure your internet connection is fast enough to run your Trust Wallet and your other websites smoothly. So open your browser and go to your website like PancakeSwap for example. I already connected, so I hope your wallet is already connected, because if your wallet is not connected, then basically that's the reason your transaction is not happening at all. You got to connect your wallet. So let's say your wallet is connected just like this. What you got to do is to disconnect your wallet, and how you can disconnect your wallet is click on your wallet on whatever website you are. And on PancakeSwap, I'm just gonna click on it, click on disconnect, and my wallet is disconnected. Once my wallet is disconnected, you gotta click and connect wallet again. Click on wallet and connect on Trust Wallet, and the Trust Wallet is gonna open up, and click the connect, and your Trust Wallet will be connected with that website again. Now your old transaction is gonna be cancelled once you do this. So you go to transaction again, and this time it's not going to say transaction error. But if this happens, do the same process again and again until the time it says like your transaction is done. Alright, because this is the only way to fix this, and a lot of people's problem has been fixed by doing this step, which I am doing right now. And also make sure to clear the data and again reconnect your wallet and restart your device. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions or comments about the topic we covered today, we'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we hope you have a fantastic day.